There is a simultaneous equation which is about the speed, time, and distance. And it's look like the question in 018, question 9. So to solve this, the key point is to build up the equation. If you understand the situation, that means there are two sections of the travel, and then the total distance is 10 km. And also two sections, she has different speed traveling two sections. So the first thing is understand the situation by using a graph. The total distance is 10 km, which means if we separate to two sections, one is D1 and another is D2. We know that D1 plus D2 should equal to 10. Afterward, she first ran in an average speed 12 km per hour, which means that we spend some time here. Time T1 and T2. They say the total time is 1.5 hours, so we know that T1 in hour and T2 is equal to 1 to 1.5. Now the key point is how can we express the distance in terms of other things. How can we use the speed? We know that the speed, you may just look at the units, it gives you some idea, should equal to the distance divided by the corresponding time. So, or in primary school, we know that is speed times t, the time span, will give you the distance traveled. So now d1 can be expressed in terms of time. In the first section, each hour 12 km, which means that t1 times hour, we have 12 t1. d2 is equal to 2.4 km per hour times the hour t2. So now we can replace d1 and d2 in terms of t. So we have 12 t1 plus 2.4 t2 is equal to 10. We have two simultaneous equations, then we just solve as usual. Copy down, 12 t1 plus 2.4 t2 is equal to 10. And then we have t1 plus t2 is equal to 1.5. To get full marks, you have to show your step to eliminate any of the unknown. We have to find the distance that Ada run before she walked. So we are concerning D1 here. To find D1, we better find T1. So our target is to eliminate T2 here. We have 2.4t here, so if we have 2.4t also, then we can get t1 by subtraction. So I decide to times 2.4 on both sides. Therefore, we can subtract them. If we use the first one minus the second one, so 12t1 minus 2.4t1. 2.4t2 minus 2.4t2 exactly the same, so it becomes 0, and only one unknown is left. Is equal to right hand side 10 minus 3.6. So t1 is equal to 2 over 3. And once again, don't forget our questions is asking what is the distance that Ada ran. So we are talking about D1. Is equal to 12 times of our time to run. Is equal to 8 km.